Detroit, ladies and gentlemen. Correct local time, 11:03 a.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. Leave cabin luggage stowed and clear of the aisles until our aircraft has come to a complete stop at the gate and our captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please use caution when opening the overhead bins. Items in them may have moved around during the flight. Please be sure to take all of your personal belongings with you as you deplane. If you are continuing on another flight, please check the monitors inside the gate area for your connected gate information. I would like to thank all of our brave men and women who serve this great country of ours, and on behalf of this Boston-based cabin crew, we'd like to thank all of you for flying with us. Have a pleasant stay in Detroit or a safe and pleasant journey to your final destination. Once again, thanks. Good morning.